Okay, so Mr. Falcone wanted me to show you guys how I did the time delay relay.
Little louder.
Basically, I just found this, tested it, see if it had continuity on the hot, and for the low side, for the low voltage, I checked if it could hold the volt, like the difference with the multimeter, and it passed. So the time delay relay has an oil inside that heats up, so it's like a pressure switch. So once the oil heats up, it will start pushing out the switch to automatically open one end and close the other, activating like a relay, but on time delay. Okay, so now I'm gonna hook up the time delay relay with the transformer. The way I'm gonna hook it up is for the time delay relay to shut itself off at the same time when it's cooling down. So the first thing I want to focus on, since it's easier, is the neutral side, or the common, the transformer. This is 115 volts going to the neutral side of the cable.
Hot, not neutral.
From the common, now I'm going to connect the hot side here. Okay, let's take this one to the time delay relay right here, because it's a single pull, double throw. From there, I have to figure out which one's my normally closed and normally open. Since I've already checked, this side is my normally closed. I want to connect this to my transformer. I want to connect it to my transformer because it'll shut itself off, cool it down so the oil won't overheat and start smoking. From there I connect my common 24 volts to one end down here. The other end going to my 24 volts. From here now I can connect it to the fan or the lights. I have to choose which one I want to have on longer, and that'll be the one cooling down. So the normally open switch will be the one cooling down. So this will be connected to my fan right up here. This cable goes straight to the back and connects straight to the fan. It's gonna be my hot. Now this will be my neutral, and I'll connect that to my neutral side of the cord, and there I have one end of the time delay. Now I can connect one from the light bulb here to the normally closed side that is connected to the time delay relay. From the time delay relay, everything's done now. Now I could choose to jump cables from this hot to this hot. And from there I just focus on my neutrals for the normally closed switch that's connected to the time delay relay. This neutral to this neutral. Oops. From there, I just connect the last cord here to the neutral. Now I'm going to plug everything on in.